Work with vehicle electronics to help optimize vehicle capabilities. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GM OE. Manufactured to GM OE specification for fit, form, and function. An AC-Delco GM original equipment multi-purpose switch is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. It may be a simple or complex switch that controls various functions such as the exterior lighting on your vehicle, power mirrors, and power seats. This original equipment multi-purpose switch has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Replaces the original switch easily. I needed to replace my overhead map light switch after someone, probably the mechanic who last drove it, I think, broke one push switch. This does not look like the OEM but is actually better and attaches exactly the same as original. The wiring needed a little modification, but I was able to trim the brass connectors to slip in the tiny slots and put a little insulation around them just to be sure. Great product price. My vehicle is a 2001 Silverado extended cab.